Hi, this video is about how to split colors on a wainscoting like this, matching with the paint design on the wall. Go into Ceiling module, click on the wall, Background wall design. Click on the white region, then draw rectangle. Draw the rectangle first. You may change the size after in the length and width here. Click on the white region again. I change the distance to 3 mm. Then the new rectangle also 3 mm. Make sure they have the same distance. Click on the big region, draw rectangle. This will be the size of your wainscoting, so just draw the rectangle first and you may change the size and position later. Now, click on the big region, draw polyline by tracing on the wainscoting rectangle. Right-click to stop on the split point. Then delete the wainscoting rectangle as we don't need it anymore. Also delete the initial region, but we will add it back later. Draw polyline, complete the wainscoting rectangle by joining the endpoints, then right-click to end. Now, click on the polyline, select Edge Strip. On the left, select Edge Strip from Material Library. Drag a design into the section attribute. Then, drag the Edge Strip down. Make sure it is below the red dot, which is the polyline, so that the edge strip will be generated inside the polyline. If you place it above the red dot, then the edge strip will be outside the polyline. Okay, the edge strip is inside the polyline. Continue on the next polyline. For the second polyline, if we check on the 3D here, it looks different. Okay, let's go back to 3D for a bigger picture. To fix this, just click on the edge strip. We can mirror the design. Let's try vertical. No. Then horizontal. Yes. Also, make sure the two edge strips have the same coordinate, which is 46 here. Different drawing will have different coordinate. Next, right-click on the wall, Style, click the white region to update the design. Because we mirror the design just now, so the edge strip location change. Click on the polyline, not the edge strip. You are now in the Move mode where you see the small circle in the middle. Drag the circle to move. Press T to switch to Rotate. And press T again, you will switch to Resize mode where you see small square nodes on the edges. Drag the square nodes to resize. Remember, click the polyline, not the edge strip. Just a little bit more here. Okay, back to 3D to check. Now you have splitted the wainscoting into two parts. Right-click the wall, Style to go back to the design. Now we add back the first rectangle region. Draw rectangle. It will automatically snap at the split point. Back to 3D, go to texture on the left, drop all the textures and we are done. Happy trying. Bye.